Hello traders, welcome to Monday, September 9th. And today I did not get any entries on the intraday. Missed a couple of spots here. I wanted to get long down here, did not get a rotation, and market moved up without me. And then price never really gave me an opportunity to get in here. Later on in the day, I also had some issues with my platform crashing on me. I was running a very old version of NinjaTrader, and turns out that it gave me problems, and I was very concerned because I was filled on the longer term. And well, anyway, long story short, everything should be fine now. NinjaTrader support service came, was very diligent about coming in and remoting in and making sure that everything was squared away. So that kind of took me out of commission on the intraday. But I did get filled on the longer term. Let me bring that in real quick. It was an ABCD completion. I had a limit order set up here, and I got filled. And I went in favor about 118 points, 119 points, and price found some support off of this minor level here. Hopefully it'll turn back around. If not, I'm going to add to my position up here at the 1618, and we'll see if we can get a win out of this. I took a loss here last week, so this month of September, I'm at so far as a losing month. I know the month just started, but I had a 200 contract loser here. That was a little heavy. And we were doing really good here. Unfortunately, I didn't get filled with 100 contracts. Now I'm with another 100 contracts. Maybe I'll get that chance. But it was moving very nicely. Break-even point is here at the 38%. Take profit point is down here. So we'll see how this plays out. We're going to leave this open and we'll manage it. And tomorrow I'll update you guys. But that's pretty much it. I know this is a very short post-session review, but there's really not much else to talk about. Today on the intraday, the market started very choppy, and then we had some movement here, and then we got really choppy up here. I was contemplating whether to scale down into the more immediate order flow, but then I started having some platform issues. My NinjaTrader crashed, and I was having a hard time getting connected. It turns out that, like me, we were running a very old version of the platform, and I had disregarded all of the new updates over time, and I guess that eventually created enough of a disconnect between the newer version and the older version to create some bugs or what have you. But it was a little scary to have 100 contract order open and then all of a sudden your platform craps out on you. But we got it worked out, like I said, and hopefully tomorrow we'll have a better day and more activity on the intraday. Other than that, remember that there is a live stream on Wednesday. Looking forward to that, and I'm looking forward to continue this 5K challenge. It's fun, it's challenging, and I'm enjoying every aspect of it, and I hope you guys are too. Until tomorrow, good luck and good trading, guys.